seen the purchase information flow with the help of FI to MM integration testing flows and all. Then what we need to do is we will do the configurations. Sorry, not the configurations. This is the testing for the FI to SD integration flows. Okay, you see, we will have a lot of things and all. I think how many stocks availability that we have. Can you go to the transaction code MMBE? Pawan, can you go to the transaction code MMBE? See, we are checking the stocks. Okay, can you go to the execute button? Okay, so in the storage location PAV2, we do have 4 restricted uses. Okay, and we can sell for oil machineries to the particular customers and all. That is very, very important. And I think previously we have seen 5 stocks availability and all, and we have done the testing for the, each and everything like sales orders to billings and all. Then next one is the incoming payment for customers and all. Why? Because and we have tested it and we didn't record that video, and our stock availability is 4. Then if we post sales orders, and the next one is billing, and the next one is post goods issues and all. Okay, then what will happen here? Automatically the stock will be decreased. Okay, when the stock will be decreased automatically, so it will give the 2 documents. One is FI document, another one is a material document. In the material document, whatever the document that you have, so you can view it based on the storage location and plant locations and all. Then what will happen automatically? So FI document will be generated in the FI document. So you have to adjust yourself with the FI document, then check with the FBL 5N. Now we will check with the FBL 5N, and we have cleared 1 document. Can you go to the transaction code FBL 5N? Go to the transaction code FBL 5N. FBL 5N, and can you go to the execute option? See, there are no open items. We have cleared 1 open item in this. I mean previous 20 minutes back only. Can you go to the execute button? See, 20,000 we have cleared it. So you can just observe there is a RB document, that is a sales orders document, right? RB document, that is billing documents and all. Based on the billing document only, we have cleared that item. Okay, and if you want to see all these things, can you go to the transaction code FB03 and enter the 1201 FB03. Enter the 1201. Enter the document 1201. 1201. Click on the enter. Now you can just see. So there will be all those things. Okay, now what we need to do is we will test all these things based on the purchase information flow. Okay, that is the most important thing. And here we have tested all these things. Okay, in last sessions, and now we will going to create 1 sales order using transaction code VA01. Can you go to the transaction code VA01 pound? Can you go to the transaction code VA01? See, here order type will be a standard order. First of all, in ECC we do have standard orders. In SAP S/4HANA we do have standard orders. Okay, but when it comes to the sales organization data, you have to have sales organization data S4Z2 and distribution channel is SD. I mean whatever the configurations that we have defined, we have to give it like this. And I mean whenever you are doing some configurations in the FI to SD and all, based on the certain flow only, you have to give all these details. Okay, so you may face some errors. So if you face any errors and all, automatically you have to check with the plant, you have to check with the distribution channels and sales organizations and division, and all these things should be assigned to the 1 plant. Then only we can able to post the sales orders and post goods issue, then billing documents. Okay, all these things we have to do. Okay, so for this thing, what you need to do is, can you give /n? Oh, sorry, click on the enter. No, click on the enter. So we are entering the sales order. Okay, so can you give sales order based on the purchase information flow? We have purchase records. What are those records? How much stock availability that is there? Okay, there will be a 4 stock availability. Now we are selling the material, one oil machinery materials to the customer. Who is the customer? 226 is the customer. Business partner is same. Okay, business partner is thing 20310, and with the help of the sales organization data. Okay, right. So give delivery plan also. Can you come down? Down. Can you give the material bound? 2691 is the material and order quantity is 1. Yes, click on the enter. Order quantity is 1. Click on the enter. Okay, now what we need to do is can you go to the shipping shipping thing bound? In the shipping, you have to assign the SHP1. Okay, SHP1 is our shipping point. Can you go to the document bound? SHP1 that we have defined. Okay, SHP1 that we have defined. That is shipping point. Okay, right. This is the defined shipping. What you need to do, see here, if you are facing any error regarding with the shipping points and all, make sure that you have to assign the shipping condition under the I mean customer master data. Okay, I will going to show you those details also. Can you go to the XD02 Pawan? Take out another thing. Go to the XD02. Go to the XD02 transaction code. Click on the enter. Go to the continue option. Now in the change in BP role, you can just take FLC U01, and in the sales and distribution, there will be a shipping conditions. Okay, under this shipping conditions, in the shipping tab, you have to have the shipping conditions. Okay, then only the system will going to allow you the things that is standard things. Okay, see why we are taking this standard order and all. Why? Because based on your loading group, based on your partner shipping points and all. Okay, so you are sending the material to the particular customer. Can you give /n and go to the transaction code OVL2? Give /n and go to the transaction code OVL2. OVL2. Can you go to the position, and here you can just give shipping condition as 01 and the loading group as 0001 only. Loading group as 0001. Sorry, 0003. And here you have to have manual shipping point. Then when you give manual shipping point and with the correspondence of the customer master data shipping point and all, then only system will going to allow you the sales order. Otherwise system will not going to allow you the sales order and all. Okay, all of you, right? Can you give /n Pawan and go to the touch screen? Go to that screen, and we are creating one sales order. Okay, so Charan is our customer. Okay, and the delivering date will be 19.12.2022. So can you assign the storage location also, Pawan? Here, do we have any storage location? We don't have any storage location. No need to worry. When it comes to the post-course issues and all, we will going to see it. Can you go to the document? Check the document availability. And if you are facing anything, automatically the system will going to throw you an error. Okay, right. Go to the save button. Go to the save button. See, the document is incomplete. Would you like to save the edit the incomplete document? See, if you ignore this error, I mean, when if you ignore this error and if you go to the I mean edit document and all, automatically the system will going to throw you some reasonable errors. Then if you save without adding the details and all, automatically billing document will not be generated. Okay, that is the main issue here. Can you go to the edit option? Can you go to the edit option? See here, probably the system may throw some of the errors and all, and gross weight and net weight we didn't maintain. So that is why for the category, and here maintain the net weight and gross weight, and come back. Can you go to the document is complete right now? Can you go to the save button and save it? See, now what we need to do here, a standard document 2723 has been saved. Okay, so in the sales information flows only, you can just write down 2723. Okay, then next one is, see, when you create the sales orders and all, we need to deliver the document, right? I mean, we need to deliver that goods, right? Using transaction code VL01N. Can you go to the transaction code VL01N? Click on the enter. So the selection date should be 19.12.2022. Why? Because tomorrow is a Sunday, right? And the system will not allow you to post the each and every document. You see, based on the calendar's mandatory documents and all, we will going to see all these things. That is the most important thing right now. And can you click on the enter? And we will going to see the things. Check settings for check grouping KP and check rule. Okay, no issue. Okay. And if you face any errors and all, and can you give the uh, pick the quantity upon pick the quantity is 1. Click on the enter, and you have to give the storage location also. Storage location also. Click on the enter. Right. So everything is fine, right? Right, no issue. Go to the post goods issue. See, we are posting the document, and if you are facing any error regarding with the delivery document and all, okay, you will going to see the details. Okay, can you take out the delivery document also, Pawan, and copy all these things and go to the Word document and save it. Go to the Word document and save it. Select this delivery document and go to the Word document and save it. Okay, 187000114 is our delivery of the goods using transaction code. Okay, VL01N. Now what we need to do, so when we are post the goods and all, we will have one accounting document, right? And can you go to the transaction code VL03N? VL03N. We have to see the accounting flows. Click on the enter button. Click on the enter. Now what we need to do is, can you go to the document flow here? There will be a document flow here. Document flow. Go to the document flow and see this document flow is complete. So you have to get like this only: completed, complete, in process, and delivery is in process. Why? Because we haven't delivered the goods and we haven't received the documents and all. So when you deliver this document, automatically system will update the document flow. Okay, can you double click on this thing? Double click on this thing. Go to select this thing. Go to the display document. Go to the display document. In the display document, you will going to find a lot of go to the document information form. Go to the document information here, general document information. Go to the FI documents. See, there will be a FI document, there will be a material ledger document. Okay, so in SAP S/4HANA, we have general ledger document, material ledgers documents will be there, right? So you can just observe cost of goods sold accounted to the raw material inventory account creator. Okay, that is the most important thing. Can you give /n? No issue. Then what is the next thing? So we have to build the document. Sorry, we have to build the goods issue, right? So billing document using transaction code VF01. Can you go to the transaction code VF01? Right. So can you click on the enter? Automatically delivering document will be there, and HSNC. Okay. That is business places mandatory options and all. No need to take anything. Okay, so please check with each and everything, and you will going to see number of details in here. Okay, right. So can you go to the save button and save it? Can you go to the save button and save it? Click on the enter. No issue. Enter. All right. So before you do all these things, document number will be generated. Okay, you have to go to the transaction code VF02. Okay, so whether it is in a completed mode or whether it is in a error modes and all. Okay, can you go to the transaction code VF02? Go to the transaction code VF02. Automatically system will give you the complete documents informations and all. Go to the environment. Go to the environment. Sorry. First display the document flow. Display the document flow. Display the document flow. So this general ledger document is not cleared. Okay, see, if it is in blocking options and all, automatically what you will do? Okay, select this document, go to the display document. So you have to release the function based on some errors will come. Okay, and based on the item category, based on the accounting keys and grouping activities and all. I mean, like grouping activities means steps like a 007, 005, 010, 017. Automatically system will take you like this. See, delivery is completed. Okay, the next one. So can you go to the transaction code FBL 5N? FDL51, we will going to see whether all these documents are existed, open item is existed or not. Okay, see 20,000 rupees is existed. Now what we will do, so can you go to the transaction code F-28, F-28, we will clear the document. I mean, we will get the incoming payment from the customer in a manual way. See, if you face any errors regarding with the account determinations and all, I will going to show you. Document header text and incoming payment from the customer. Then next text, incoming payment from customer, and 226. Yes, can you go to the process open items? Go to the process open items and 20,000. You have to assign the 20,000 rupees and go to the save button and save it. See, for this also we will going to generate one document. Okay, 413 was posted. Okay, can you go to the transaction code FBL 5N only and see the things. Go to the open item selections. We don't have any entries, and go to the cleared items. Go to the execute button. See, RV document is generated and DZ. Can you go to the transaction code OBA7 once again show me that document OBA7 and show me the document RV. Show me the document RV. This is a billing document. Billing document has been transferred, okay, to the particular customer, and we have got the incoming payment. So when we got the incoming payment and all, what will happen? Automatically all these things will be cleared, right? You got the thing? Okay, you do one thing. Can you go to the transaction code VF02? VF02. Can you go to the document flow? Can you go to the document flow? See, this document is cleared. Okay, select this thing and go to the select this thing, go to the display document and all. Okay, now you got the thing, right? I mean, this document is cleared. What is the document? What is the document? Customer invoice document, right? Right, come back. This document is cleared. Now we will go in, I mean, we will check with the what is the thing? We will check with the stock types also. Can you go to the transaction code MMBE? See, we have, I mean, sell the one document, right? What is the document here? Oil machinery. Okay, one material has been sent to the customer and we have got the payment. Now we will go to see how much, I mean, how many stocks that are available in the MMBE transaction based on the purchase information flow. Go to the continue option. So you will go into, now you got the thing, right? Previously we have, I mean, we were in a 4 stocks positions, but we are in a 3 more stocks positions. Okay, if you sell one more thing, so it will be decreased to the 2. If you sell one more thing, it will be decreased to the 1. If you sell one more thing, it will be decreased to the 0. But if you don't have any purchase information flow, I mean, if you don't have any stock availability and all, you cannot even post the sales orders. That is the most important thing. Okay, can you give /n? Can you give /n? And okay, right. So I mean, before we end up these things and all, like for the unit testings and all, we have tested it successfully, and you can submit this video to any other persons and all. There is no issue. But when it comes to the condition types and records and what is the thing? Yes, condition types records based on accounting keys only. We are assigning all these things, right? Okay, what we will do. So can you go to the transaction code V/0, right? Our pricing based on the pricing processes, based on the condition types and all. Okay, we will going to assign all these accounts, right? We will going to assign all these accounts, right? Based on the accounting keys. Okay, that is the most important thing, right? See, based on pricing procedures only, we do have control data. Okay, if you are facing any error, okay, regarding with the things and all, okay, you have to come with these things. Okay, come back, come back. I think our pricing procedure will be Rajni. See, based on the condition type, PPRO condition type only, we have assigned the things. Okay, what is the assigned things? PPRO. Okay, can you give slash n? Sorry, accounting key. Show me the accounting key here. Show me the accounting key here. ERL. Okay, can you give slash n? See, if you want to add the sales discounts, that is ERS, sales rebates, that is ERB, and all, you can just add it based on your client requirement. Okay, can you give slash n? And can you give slash n? Can you go to the transaction code OVKK? Can you go to the transaction code OVKK? Okay, pricing procedure should be assigned here. That is the most important thing. If you face any errors, okay, like PPRO, PR00, like this thing. So already we have assigned all these things, right? Okay, then next. So can you go to the transaction code VK11? Can you go to the transaction code VK11? So you have to define the condition records. Then only you can able to assign each and everything. Okay. So these things are mandatory. First of all, material with the status is very, very important. Okay, right. So you have to define the condition records. Can you give slash n? Go to the material bound. Go to the material. FI to SD integration. No. FI to SD integration material. Material flow. Go up. Go up. No. Come down. Come down. No. Go up. Up. Define assign GL accounts is there. Pricing determinations is there. Come down. Down. Yes. So can you go to the transaction code VKOA? So we have to have all these things. VKOA. See, if you are facing any error regarding with the billing document and all, if it is a account determination processes and all, in SAP S4 HANA, we have to assign all these GLs based on the accounting keys, based on the customer group, material group accounting key, based on the sales organization item category and accounting. See, that is your choice. Based on the condition type accounting key, you can assign it. Based on the item category and accounting key, you can assign it. Based on the sales organization and customer groups and accounting keys and all, you can also assign it. So we have assigned all these things. Okay, if you face any errors, okay, you can just assign all these things. System will give you the error-free messages and all. Automatically you will going to see each and everything. Now here, if you want to analyze the account determination analysis, okay, can you take out the account determination analysis, revenue accounts? See, we have assigned the condition type, that is PPR, right? So you can just assign based on your condition type, you can assign it, and we can access each and every details. Okay, all of you. So sorry, can you give slash n here? And see, one more thing is, after assigning each and everything, go to the transaction code VF02. You have to release the document. Okay, why? Because the document will be in a error modes. Okay, and it will not going to release. You have to release the document to the FI accounting flows. Based on that thing, you will going to do each and every. You will going to have each and every flow, like from sales order to the customer incoming payments. So this is how we can do the particular configurations and FI to integration purchase flows and FI to SD sales organization data flows and all. Okay, this is how we can clear each and everything is fine with the flows and all. And when it comes to the real times and all, in the each and every client, whatever the projects that we are handling, so we will have the flows only, Okay, and when it comes to the any organization and all, no one will going to post with normal F dash 53, F dash 28, FB60, FB70 invoices. They will post with ME21 and ME21 and transaction code, BA01 transaction codes and all. That is the complete flow of this structure. Okay, right.